is my second block, but anyways, right here, we got some nice slimes. This one's right there because something fires. But I need to show you all, well, not all my slimes, some of the slimes that I have. I'm speaking really like low because they're asleep. They don't want to hear me making like a video at 11. So first one is banana Swiss slime. This actually looks kind of green now. I can really tell. And I made this piece of these. Like this in here, there's like it's like 10 different types of slimes. So this thing makes really good bubbles. But I think it lost its bubbliness because it's not really, it's not really see-through anymore. Last times. It really is like when there's a bubble go like this, probably it has like a lot of bubbles. Sounds like a ton of bubbles just squished at one time. Alright, this slime right here that isn't it's on its container, it's in its cap. It's clear slime. As you can see, I added some pigment. It's purple. I was trying to make it unicorn, but it didn't work. This thing is legit so freaking clear. And I'm just happy that it's clear. You can see right there. Oh, it broke. Alright, and yes, you guys just heard all of those. Yep. Alright, next up, this slime I just made. Because I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. And I was like, I don't want to post this because you're like, oh, you should just make a slime. But I painted it with some acrylic, beautiful paint. It's legit like the outside of the can that has the color in it is so pretty. But anyways, here is the blue slime. As you can see, this is fluffy blue slime. The thing about this one is that none of these slimes are pathetically thick. Like you can see when I try to go like this, they don't go up like none of them do. Like, and this one, like, none of them. This one makes good air bubbles. So you guys can just see. I'm surprised that it's like this, even though I legit just made it. And yeah, I'm just surprised. Alright, put back in this container. Oh no. It's also pretty sticky, that's what I just noticed. I thought it was just normal because I just made it, but no. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. That's all, not even half of the slimes that I have. These are only 3 out of more than 3. I have like 10 to 11 probably. And yeah. Yeah, after these slimes I actually have all the ingredients right here. Here like I have my glue, my shaving cream, my contact lens solution, my container, my borax, and my slimes. So that's for today's video. Bye. Oh, before I even say bye, I just said bye, but subscribe, share, comment down below anything you want, or hashtag slime. Let's try to get this video up to at least 3 likes, because I'm just probably not gonna do this. So yeah. And one last thing, this is vlog, not even vlog, this is slime 2. I also want to tell you something else, guys. I'm not really such a, I'm a slimer, but I'm also a gamer. So you guys can go follow me on my account. I'll leave it in the description down below so you guys can follow me. And tomorrow's video, it's gonna be about gaming. So now, bye guys.